Firstly, we look at monthly. We need to see what price is doing in the monthly time frame. Just like to create the range, the high and the low. Price is never gonna get there. It's just what I like to do. What we can see straight off is a bigger structure here. I can create this here. Okay, price moves up from the order block here. You can say it just about tapped it, if not mitigated some of the orders and start pushing to the upside. All right, so here we have our triple top head and shoulders where price distributes. This was a sign of weakness. Price comes back for the retest and now try and push into the downside. All right, this is what we see right now. Price can potentially come all the way down to here, and in this order block, and start mitigating this orders here. Start pushing to the upside, potentially grabbing this bit of liquidity, but we're not sure yet. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna quickly look at the volume. And the recent month candles. So off the back, this candle here, these two candles, is this month, previous month. If you look at previous month candle, the way it closes is very bearish, right? So what currently this candle this month is doing is retracing to the upside. The reason why it's retracing is because there's accumulation and distribution happening at the same time. So the push up is where the price is retesting, and this is the area where we can expect price to come and retest to the downside. Let's look into weekly candle. Off the back, I can see this little bit is accumulation going on and distribution at the same time. This. We have money, liquidity on top of here. Price can come here. Grab liquidity. So yeah, let's mark down this. So this is our selling climax. Price comes in. This is our automatic rally. Here. This is our ST, secondary test. Then price comes here, makes our spring. After the spring is formed, we see a sign of strength. Right, so just gonna make this here, just to make it clear. Just gonna take it out. All right, so realistically, we can see a push up over here to down here. Okay, let's look at daily. Voila. So there's this order block here. We can expect price to come here, break this area. First, what we'll see is price will reject from this order block here. Okay, this is bigger time frame. So this is the retest. And I'm gonna remove the volume for the time being. So what is happening here? I'm gonna go on a 1 hour time frame. Have a look. All right, since this is a retest, we can see price trying to accumulate. So this is again our selling climax. This is our automatic rally. Right. Perfect. This is our secondary test. To take the liquidity out. Nope. Perfect. There's liquidity underneath here. Liquidity on top. So if you guys saw the last video on accumulation, you guys need to know we need to see some sign of strength. A sign of strength we'll see is probably over here. Price will come to this order block. Start pushing down. Breaking. We like to see something like this. Breaking this ST. Potentially the selling climax as well at the same time. And then pushing to the upside. So let me look at 4 hour. So I like to see something like this. Okay, so I actually forgot to give you guys the setup. I just explained what I see in the market, right? So we have this 2 order blocks. This is the daily, and that is a 4 hour. We expect price to come in this 2 areas, start rejecting. So if I were to refine this, I have my entry something like this. Shorting from here. That's risking a lot of pips. This will be 1 to 5, which is a pretty good sweet trade. To hold. Or what you can do is wait for price to come in here and start looking for distribution in the 15 minutes time frame within here. And then when price is right about here somewhere distributing, you can have the stop loss right here. Or you can have it in the 15 minutes candle, wherever it says. But end of the day, you can increase your RRs by obviously analyzing a smaller time frame when it comes to your order block. So yeah, expect something like this. This is my view on NZDUSD.